Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are exploring the chic and elegant fashion choices of the one and only Anju Kurian. The actress, known for her versatile roles in South Indian cinema, is equally celebrated for her impeccable fashion sense. Her style radiates a blend of classic elegance and contemporary chic, making her a fashion icon in the industry. Anju often gravitates towards floor-length gowns that exude grace and sophistication. These gowns are usually adorned with intricate embroidery or subtle embellishments, highlighting her refined taste. She has a penchant for rich, bold colors like deep reds, emerald greens, and royal blues, which complement her complexion and add a regal touch to her appearance. Her traditional attire is equally captivating. She frequently dons exquisite saris that reflect her cultural heritage while showcasing modern design elements. These saris often feature luxurious fabrics such as silk and chiffon, embellished with intricate borders or delicate beadwork. The beauty accessorizes her saris with statement jewelry pieces, like chunky necklaces or chandelier earrings, which add a dash of glamour to her traditional look. In her casual outings, her style is effortlessly chic and approachable. She can often be seen in well-fitted jeans paired with trendy tops or simple kurtas that reflect her down-to-earth personality. Her casual wardrobe includes a mix of pastel hues and soft fabrics, offering a relaxed yet stylish vibe. Her makeup is typically understated, focusing on a natural, radiant look with minimalistic highlights that enhance her features without overpowering them. Footwear is another area where her fashion sense shines. Whether it's a pair of sleek stilettos for a formal event or comfortable yet stylish sneakers for a day out, her choices always complement her outfits perfectly. Her fashion choices are a testament to her ability to blend tradition with modernity, simplicity with elegance. The actress embraces a broad spectrum of styles, ranging from the ethereal to the avant-garde. She often opts for gowns that highlight her slender frame and feature exquisite detailing like lace overlays, sequined embellishments, and delicate drapery. Her choices in these occasions often incorporate sophisticated silhouettes with daring slits, plunging necklines, or backless designs, balancing elegance with a hint of allure. Anju's preference for statement gowns is complemented by her love for intricate accessories, such as diamond-studded earrings or elegant clutch bags, which add a finishing touch of luxury. Her casual style is refreshingly simple yet stylish. She often gravitates towards comfortable, easygoing outfits that reflect her relaxed vibe. Her casual wardrobe includes a mix of high-waisted jeans, flowy maxi dresses, and playful jumpsuits, often paired with minimalistic accessories and chic footwear. She's frequently seen in soft, breathable fabrics like cotton and linen, which are perfect for the tropical climate. Pastel shades and floral prints dominate her off-duty looks, adding a touch of femininity and grace. She often merges Western and Indian elements to create striking ensembles that stand out. A classic example is her pairing of a traditional sari with a modern crop top or a structured blazer, creating a look that is both contemporary and culturally rich. Her fusion choices extend to accessories as well, where she might combine a traditional bindi with a Western hairstyle or pair ethnic jewelry with a sleek modern dress. This ability to blend different fashion elements seamlessly makes her a trendsetter in her own right. Her approach to makeup and hair is versatile and complements her outfit choices perfectly. She often opts for bold makeup looks, with smoky eyes, defined brows, and a bold lip color that enhances her overall appearance. Her hairstyles range from elegant updos to soft curls, always matching the tone of her outfit. In contrast, her casual and traditional looks usually feature more natural makeup, focusing on dewy skin, light blush, and nude lips, with simple hairstyles like loose waves or a neat ponytail. Her footwear choices are as varied and thoughtful as her outfits. For formal events, she often steps out in designer heels or strappy sandals that complement her glamorous gowns. In her traditional attire, she opts for embellished jute tees or sleek kolhapuri sandals, adding a touch of cultural charm. For her casual outings, the beauty is frequently seen in stylish flats, comfortable sneakers, or chic ankle boots, perfectly balancing comfort and style. Her accessories range from statement necklaces and bold rings to delicate bracelets and anklets, each piece carefully chosen to enhance her overall look. Her fashion philosophy revolves around expressing her individuality while staying true to her roots. She believes in wearing outfits that make her feel confident and comfortable, rather than just following trends. Her wardrobe is as adaptable as it is stylish, with her choices evolving gracefully with the changing seasons. In the summer, she often opts for light, breathable fabrics like cotton and linen, ensuring comfort in the sweltering heat. Her summer attire features a lot of pastel shades, floral prints, and airy silhouettes like maxi dresses, skirts, and sleeveless tops. These choices not only keep her cool but also exude a refreshing, laid-back elegance. In the cooler months, her style takes on a cozier, more layered approach. She is often seen in snug knit sweaters, stylish cardigans, and chic trench coats. Her winter wardrobe features richer hues like burgundy, mustard, and deep greens, and she expertly layers these with scarves, beanies, and ankle boots to create looks that are both warm and fashionable. Anju's ability to seamlessly transition her style to suit the seasons showcases her versatility and keen fashion sense. In recent years, the actress has also shown a growing commitment to sustainability in fashion. She has been spotted wearing eco-friendly brands and supporting designers who prioritize sustainable practices. This includes choosing outfits made from organic or recycled materials and embracing slow fashion principles, which emphasize quality over quantity. Her dedication to sustainability is not just about the fabrics she wears but also about promoting ethical production processes and supporting local artisans. She often advocates for buying less but choosing well, a philosophy that reflects her thoughtful approach to fashion. Her mastery in selecting colors and patterns plays a significant role in defining her fashion identity. Her wardrobe boasts a rich array of colors, each chosen to enhance her natural beauty and fit the occasion. She frequently opts for jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and ruby red for their luxurious and striking appearance. These colors not only complement her complexion but also add a touch of opulence to her ensembles. She is often seen wearing bespoke creations by renowned designers, who tailor their pieces to suit her distinct style. Her red carpet appearances frequently feature gowns and dresses from high-end fashion houses, making her a muse for many designers. The actress has also become a prominent figure in brand endorsements. She represents various fashion labels, from luxury brands to emerging designers, showcasing a diverse range of styles. Her endorsements often highlight her versatility and ability to carry off both traditional and contemporary looks with equal panache. Her hairstyles and beauty looks are carefully curated to complement her outfits and enhance her overall appearance. She is known for her ability to switch effortlessly between different looks, from sleek and polished to soft and romantic. For formal events, Anju often opts for sophisticated updos or voluminous curls, adding a touch of glamour to her ensemble. Her makeup during these occasions is usually bold, with dramatic eyes and lips that make a statement. In her everyday style, the beauty prefers more natural and understated looks. She often sports loose waves or straightened hair, paired with minimal makeup that focuses on a fresh, dewy complexion. This balanced approach to beauty allows her to highlight her features without overpowering her outfits, maintaining a harmonious look that is both elegant and approachable. The actress has delivered several iconic looks that have left a lasting impression on the fashion community. Whether it's a stunning sari draped elegantly for a festival or a chic, modern dress that breaks the mold, her style statements are always memorable. Some of her most iconic looks include a white, sequined sari that she wore at a film awards show, capturing the essence of classic Bollywood glamour, and a vibrant, asymmetrical gown that showcased her penchant for contemporary fashion. Each of these iconic looks is a testament to her ability to understand and play with fashion, making her a trendsetter in her own right. Her style is not just about following trends but about setting them, inspiring many to experiment and find their own unique fashion voice. Her public appearances are always eagerly anticipated by fashion enthusiasts. Whether she's attending a movie premiere, a charity event, or a casual day out, her outfits are meticulously curated to suit the occasion. Her personal style is a blend of effortless elegance and thoughtful details, making each appearance a masterclass in chic dressing. In her personal life, Anju's style is relaxed and relatable. She often shares glimpses of her off-duty looks on social media, which range from comfy loungewear to stylish day dresses. These posts give her fans a peek into her everyday style, which is as inspiring as her more glamorous public appearances. Her fashion choices resonate not just within India but also on the global stage. She often incorporates international trends into her wardrobe, seamlessly blending them with her own aesthetic. Whether it's the latest in haute couture or street fashion, the actress has a keen eye for global styles and adapts them to suit her personality and cultural context. Her ability to bridge different fashion worlds makes her a unique and influential figure in the industry. She often attends international fashion events and collaborates with global brands, bringing a piece of her style to the global fashion arena. The actress continues to evolve in her career. Her fashion journey is one to watch. Her ability to adapt and innovate ensures that she remains at the forefront of fashion trends while staying true to her roots. And there you have it, a deep dive into the fabulous fashion world of Anju Kurian. From stunning saris to chic western wear, she truly embodies style and grace. Which of her looks is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for videos. Thanks for watching.